How has New York City, the city that never sleeps, evolved from 1900 to 2024? As the 20th century dawned, the Big Apple was on the rise. Its population swelled, and its skyline started to climb. Iconic structures like the Flatiron Building and the New York Public Library began to grace the cityscape. Even below ground, change was afoot with the opening of the first New York subway. The dawn of the 20th century set the stage for the New York we know today, a city constantly rising upwards. As the cityscape evolved, so did the social and cultural fabric of the city. The Roaring Twenties swept over New York like a wave of exuberance, coloring the city with jazz clubs, speakeasies, and the vibrant pulse of the Harlem Renaissance. It was an era of prosperity, an era of cultural dynamism, where New Yorkers danced to the beat of a newfound freedom. But as the decade turned, the city found itself grappling with the Great Depression. The once bustling streets were now shadowed by hardship, yet the city's spirit remained unbroken. Amidst the economic turmoil, the Empire State Building rose, a beacon of resilience and innovation, becoming an indelible part of New York's skyline. Through the highs of the Roaring Twenties and the lows of the Great Depression, New York City proved itself to be a city of contrasts, of resilience, and of relentless spirit. Even in times of great crisis, New York's spirit of resilience and innovation never wavered. From the ashes of war, New York emerged stronger and more vibrant than ever. The post-war boom breathed new life into the city as skyscrapers rose and the United Nations headquarters took shape, turning New York into a global hub of diplomacy and decision-making. In the world of art, a new movement was stirring. Abstract expressionism, with its bold strokes and emotive colors, was born in the city, exemplifying the spirit of freedom and innovation that characterized this era. As the decades rolled on, the city became a crucible for cultural revolution. The 60s and 70s bore witness to the Stonewall riots, a pivotal moment in the fight for LGBTQ+ rights. Meanwhile, the pulsating beats of hip-hop began to echo from the Bronx, a genre that would go on to conquer the world. New York's cultural dynamism continued to shape its identity, fostering an environment of acceptance and creativity. Entering the 21st century, New York faced one of its darkest hours, only to emerge brighter. The city that never sleeps was brought to a standstill by the tragic events of September 11, 2001. Yet, in the face of unimaginable adversity, New York demonstrated an unyielding resilience that echoed around the world. The construction of One World Trade Center, standing tall as the Western Hemisphere's tallest building, embodied this spirit of renewal. Rising from the ashes, it symbolized a city that refuses to be defeated, a city that rebuilds, stronger and bolder. Another emblem of New York's resilience was the transformation of the High Line, an abandoned railway line turned into a vibrant urban park. This innovative reimagining of urban space demonstrated New York's commitment to sustainability and community, breathing new life into the city. Then, in the year 2020, the city faced another crisis with the COVID-19 pandemic. Yet again, New York responded with resilience and innovation. The city adapted, implementing new urban designs and public health measures that transformed the way New Yorkers live, work, and interact. New York's ability to adapt and reinvent itself in the face of adversity is a testament to its enduring spirit. The city's journey through the 21st century is a story of resilience and renewal, of a metropolis that continues to evolve, always looking forward. What does the future hold for this iconic city? As we peer into the crystal ball of New York City's future, we see grand architectural projects and compassionate social initiatives taking shape. The development of Hudson Yards, a city within a city, is a testament to New York's relentless pursuit of innovation. Here, skyscrapers coexist with public spaces, art installations, and greenery, embodying a vision of urban living that marries convenience with sustainability. And speaking of sustainability, New York's commitment to this vital cause is unwavering. Green rooftops, solar power initiatives, and eco-friendly transportation are no longer novelties but integral parts of the city's fabric. Moreover, New York continues to champion inclusivity, fostering communities that celebrate diversity in all its forms. From initiatives that support the underprivileged to events that honor cultural differences, the city's social fabric is continually being enriched. As New York continues to evolve, its spirit of resilience, innovation, and cultural dynamism remains the same, promising an exciting future for the city that never sleeps.